morning, good night, whichever time you're watching this video. My name is Michael once again. Welcome to my official channel. I talk about cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and passive income from the digital space. So that's what we do here, and I'll be doing videos on a weekly basis to enlighten you new opportunities, scams that you can avoid, and what I'm doing currently to earn for free on the digital space. We have a lot of video about massive programs, sweet program, validors, and Evo tokens that is free for you to mine every hour. And validors has been paying me for over 4 or 5 months now, and it's getting to 1 year, and I recommend that you venture into validors. In the link is going to be in the description of all the videos about validors, and I'm going to say that it's an amazing platform. Now I have this wonderful app that gives me signals on crypto arbitrage, where you can actually make money for yourself, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this platform. Welcome once again. Just want not subscribe to this channel, bell icon. You need to get notified whenever I drop a new video. If it's for a signal, so you can log into on your own account at that moment, and then you not miss out on every video. Now without further ado, let me walk you to this crypto arbitrage scanner that is amazing, accurate time, accurate price, and all of that. Now this is the crypto scanner. I'm going to set some things here according to my own description. I'm going to set it here. It said adjust time, transfer time, and all of that, 100%. Okay, and we are good to go. So we click add here. So now you see, like what I did. Sorry for that. It has so many what do we call add on this because it's free. So now you say let's, for example, you said etc BTC, that is Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and you can see currently you say buy on hot HBTC and sell on Binance. You see, this is the details. Price difference 46%, amount 44.72, 1133, profit 33%. As you can see from from what I'm explaining, I don't know because it's dark, maybe you don't seeing it. You say withdraw adjustment profit 33%. So you are making approximately about amount trashed about 2086. This is what it's saying, fee and all of that. So if you understand what arbitrage mean, you can actually make money by doing this on your own platform, and that is it. Now it has a lot of things that you can actually do. Now you can actually buy from this platform and see. Currently I have not set it as I want it to be, but when I do, I'm going to notify everybody the details. Now one thing I discover is this. You see these percentages you are seeing here. I think the trade are better happen by percentage. Now you see enable, disable, withdraw disabled, with deposit enabled. So you can see, like the first one I did, etc, you say it's selling on gate.io, withdrawal fee 283 to 3% 16. So you just go through them and understand these things by yourself. I'm going to create another video when I will explain details on how you can actually maximize this opportunity, and it's amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So you have the time frame and the time to buy yourself on this platform. Now there are settings I have not done. Withdrawal notification, so any coin. So you see all of the coins are here, and you can add them so that you can get their signal as it lands at any given time. So let's just say we are looking for 100% to 100%. You see, with that settings, you can actually get 100% to 100%. So if we make it 50%, and let's see what happens. Currently